You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time, in the Dreamtime, there was a vast land where animals roamed freely. Among them was a powerful and majestic creature known as the Rainbow Serpent. This serpent had a shimmering and colorful body that glistened under the sun. The Rainbow Serpent had the ability to create and shape the world. Its presence brought life and harmony to the land. The animals revered the serpent and sought its guidance whenever they faced challenges. One day, the land suffered from a severe drought. The rivers dried up, and the animals struggled to find water. The Rainbow Serpent sensed their distress and decided to help. It slithered through the barren land, searching for a solution. Deep within the earth, the Rainbow Serpent found a hidden water source. With a mighty burst of energy, it caused the water to erupt, creating a grand waterfall that flowed into the rivers and filled them with life-giving water. The animals rejoiced and thanked the Rainbow Serpent for its kindness. In gratitude, the animals held a gathering to celebrate the Rainbow Serpent's benevolence. Each animal contributed something special to show their appreciation. The kangaroo brought her agility and hopped around in joy, while the kookaburra's laughter filled the air with happiness. Amidst the festivities, the Rainbow Serpent noticed a small and shy creature named Wombat sitting quietly in a corner. The serpent approached Wombat and asked why it hadn't joined in the merriment. Wombat explained that it had nothing to offer, feeling insignificant compared to the other animals. The Rainbow Serpent reassured Wombat that every creature had unique gifts and talents. It explained that Wombat's ability to dig burrows and create underground homes was essential for the ecosystem. Wombat realized the value of its skills and felt a newfound sense of pride. As the night sky darkened, the Rainbow Serpent stretched its long body across the heavens, creating a magnificent arc of colors. It formed a radiant rainbow, a symbol of hope and unity. The animals gazed in awe, understanding the significance of the Rainbow Serpent's presence. From that day forward, the Rainbow Serpent became a symbol of harmony, diversity, and respect among all living beings. It taught the animals the importance of valuing one another's differences and working together for the greater good. The legacy of the Rainbow Serpent continues to this day, as the rainbow's vibrant colors remind us of the power of unity and the beauty of diversity. And whenever a rainbow graces the sky, it is said that the spirit of the Rainbow Serpent is watching over the land, ensuring harmony and balance. As the animals nestled in their cozy homes, the tale of the Rainbow Serpent lingered in their hearts. With dreams filled with rainbows and a sense of belonging, they drifted off to sleep, knowing that they were part of a world where acceptance and love prevailed. And so, their dreams were filled with joy and harmony until the break of dawn.